Today, we practice the B sound. B sound. Are you ready? Dear parents, I am Binoy and I run a course called My Sound. My Sound is a course designed specifically for children from grades 4 to 9. This is to improve their English speaking skills. Come on, bring your teens in front of the screen. Let's them practice with me and have fun together. Ready? Let's go. We will start with some simple sounds. I will say them first and then I want your child to repeat after me. Ready? Let's do this. When you say B, please understand that it is a bilabial sound. The position of articulation of this B sound is bilabial. That means by using two lips. B. And how the air is coming out will tell you the mode of articulation, which is oral stop. B. Similar to P. B. But the difference is P is unvoiced and B is voiced. By the term voiced, it means the vocal cord will be vibrating when we say a voiced sound. So when you say B, come on, keep your hand like this near to your vocal cord and observe your vocal cord's vibration. B, 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 B. It's a voiced sound. So B, B, bowl. B, B, bow. Like bowl, okay? B, B, bow. B, B, bow. B, B, bow. B, B, bow. Like bowl, bowl. Now you try. B. Very good. B, B. Very good. Great job. Now let's move to the next word. B, B, boo. B, B, boo. Like book, book. Ooh, 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 boo. Okay, like book. B, B, boo. B, B, boo. B, B, boo. B, B, boo. Like book. When we say book, now we are saying only the part of that, boo. When it's combined with the k, we will get book. B, B, book. Okay, all right? Now it's your turn. B, B, boo. B, B. Very good. Like book. Very good. Awesome. Now let's go with the next word. B, B, B. B, B, B. B, B, B. Like B, B-E-E, B, okay? Okay? B. Let's move with the next sound. O, O, like boat. B plus O plus T. Boat. 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 Okay? B, B, boat. B, B, boat. B, B, boat. B, B, boat. Like boat. B, B, O, T. Boat. Come on. Let's hear from you. B, B. Very good. Very good. B, B. Well done. Great job. Now let's move to the next word. B, B, box. B, B, box. It's like box, okay? B-O-X, box. Whenever word ends with X, the sound will end with X, X, like box, box, box. It's an unvoiced S sound, S sound, not Z, not Z, but it is S, unvoiced S sound. Okay, box. B, B, box. B, B, very good. B, B, well done. B, B, box. Okay, now let's move to the next word. B, B, bow. Like O, O, bow. Like bird, bird, bird. B, B, bow. D. Okay? B, B, bird. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. Now you try. b, bird. Starts with a voiced b and ends with another voiced d. Okay, b, bird, b. Very good, awesome work. Great. Your child did an amazing job, everyone. Keep them practicing these sounds, and they will become an awesome speaker in no time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more value adding and fun exercises. See you next time. Thank you.